Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to disable vibration on silent in Telegram call notifications. If you're tired of your phone vibrating every time you receive a call on Telegram, follow these simple steps to turn off the vibration feature. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three lines located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you can access various settings. Now, tap on Settings, and then select Notifications and Sounds from the list of options. Here, you'll find different notification settings for messages, calls, and other app-related activities. Under the Calls section, tap on Vibrate to adjust the vibration settings for incoming calls. Finally, select Disabled to turn off the vibration feature when you receive a call on Telegram. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled vibration on silent in Telegram call notifications. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful and quiet notification experience on your device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.